Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you guys how me, Mama TK, bakes a hen, and this is in preparation for my southern cornbread dressing. So let's get into this video and let me show you the ingredients that you are going to need on how to bake a hen for any occasion. It can be Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays, any occasion on how to make a nice, juicy, delicious hen. Okay, you guys, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find you a hen or a chicken. I found this one at Walmart for $3.42. Okay, it didn't come with any giblets on the inside. As you see, it has a neck. I'm going to cut that off because I'm going to use the neck for boiling. Okay, you're going to need some butter. You're going to need some oil. Here I have canola oil. You can use canola oil, vegetable oil. Some seasoning salt, some poultry seasoning, some paprika, some black pepper, some rosemary, some garlic powder, some cumin, and some onion powder. Okay, you guys? Okay, those are the ingredients. You're going to need a baking pan. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to season our chicken. Okay, first step is place a half a stick of butter. It depends on the size of, you can even do this for a turkey. A half a stick of butter. We're going to melt that. Don't burn it, just make it, just melt the butter, okay? Okay, now that my butter has melted, I am going to add a small amount of oil. About 2 tablespoons of oil. It's not cooking. Remember to turn the stove off. We're not cooking the butter and the oil together. We're just going to mix it. We're going to remove it from the eye that it is on. And we are going to let it cool because we are going to rub our chicken down with this butter and oil mixture. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that I am going to also use chopped celery and chopped onion to go on the inside cavity of my hen. Just go ahead and stuff that with onions and with celery. If you like bell pepper to go on the inside, you can go ahead and stuff that as well. Now I am going to take my butter and oil that I melted, and I'm going to rub that over the outside of my chicken on both sides, all the way around, just rub it. This is going to help crisp it and brown it, and adds flavor as well to the chicken. Okay, you guys? So we have this oiled up, have this chicken rubbed down really good. Now let's get ready to start adding our seasoning on the outside. Okay, so it doesn't matter which order you put the seasoning in. You can put it in a bowl and mix the seasoning together. You're just gonna make sure that you season your chicken really well, okay? The paprika is for color. Garlic powder is very flavorful. since we are using this for a holiday, we are not going to do anything spicy because I'm gonna use the juice off of my hen for my dressing. Okay, so we're using seasoning salt. We're not gonna need regular salt. We're using seasoning salt. If you want to, you can add sage. I don't particularly use sage. Okay, this is my onion powder. And my poultry seasoning. And last but not least, the infamous black pepper. Black pepper, black pepper, black pepper. Okay, so that's for this side. We're gonna rub this here. Seasoning makes me sneeze. Okay, rub that all over that chicken on the outside. Make sure we get the seasoning well. 350 degrees. This is gonna go on the inside cavity, this raw garlic. Okay, just use about a tablespoon and stuff the inside with your vegetables, that raw garlic, okay? Keep washing your hands because you're dealing with poultry. And you know, salmonella is big. Let me season this out a little more. Because it's not going to be good if you don't put any seasoning on it. You can bake it all you want, but if you don't add any flavor to it, put that in. Okay, you guys, see how seasoned? I have it very seasoned, very well. I have it stuffed. Okay, you guys, so this is the hen and the pan that I am using. I'm just using, you can use any kind of pan that you have that I will be cooking the hen in. And the leftover oil and butter mixture that I have, I'm just going to go ahead and pour that around my hen to help it cook. Okay? Place aluminum foil over your hen. And go ahead and place your hen in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna check my hen in about 30 minutes or 40 minutes so that I can get the juice off of it. I'm gonna pour that in a different pan, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let it finish cooking the remainder of the way. The juices will be for my southern cornbread dressing. So always remember, if you're using turkey, use the turkey juice as well. Okay, you guys, as you can see that my hen is cooking nice and crispy. See the beautiful color that's on it? Okay? And like I said, it's going to take about 45 minutes to an hour to cook. I'm trying to get the best lighting for you guys. See the juices that are coming off? Those will be the juices that I'm going to use to help for my southern cornbread dressing. I'm making chicken and dressing. So the juices that come off of here, I am going to add to the chicken broth that I bought. Okay, you guys, so now it is time for me to take this juice that you see. This will be the what you want to call it? My mind went blank, you guys, please forgive me. This will be my chicken broth. I also have chicken broth on the side that I bought. So this will be extra chicken broth that is going to give my southern cornbread dressing the flavor that it needs. So I'm going to take this juice, I'm going to pour it off, and I'm going to let the chicken finish cooking and crisp up. And as you can see, that it is going to have a beautiful, nice color to the chicken. See that, you guys? It's going to be a beautiful. Okay, everyone, so here's the finished product. I have finished the hen that I am making to go along with my dressing, my southern cornbread dressing. And I have the juices that I have saved from the hen drippings, the pan drippings that are here, that I am going to use in my dressing, which will be for another video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so that you guys can be notified each and every time I upload a video. I hope you guys try this recipe and come back to my channel again. Please come visit Mama TK so that you guys too can learn how to make some delicious recipes. Let me see if I can flip this over before it's over with. Okay, you see, remember where I stuffed the bird? The onion and the celery are still in the cavity of the hen. See that beautiful color that's on the hen? It's still juicy. See the juice is coming off of it once I flipped it over. Yes, a beautiful hen. If you guys want to know how I made this hen in the oven, it's baked, and I made this hen so that I could make southern cornbread dressing. I want you guys to stay tuned to this video. Do you see the beautiful color that is on this hen? I give you all the ingredients, and I give you step-by-step instructions on how to make this hen. Please stay tuned to the video.